Hey everyone, my name's Hannah. Welcome back. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions. So there are two ways that are super easy to compress a file. The first way I'm going to show you is a double click or a right click, depending on if you have a mouse pad or a mouse itself. So just right click on your folder and we're going to go down to where it says compress file. And after you find it, we're just going to click it and your file should pop up. So now that you have your compressed file, you're able to use this file to distribute it on your online business, or you can email it to people a lot quicker and a lot more efficiently. The second way to compress a file is to go up to your File tab in the left-hand corner and go down to where it says compress file, just like we did with the right click or the double click. And when you click that, the file will pop up exactly the same way. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to follow me on Teachers Pay Teachers under the name Miss Clipart. Go make sure to follow me on Instagram under the name miss.clipart. And if you saw this on Teachers Pay Teachers, go make sure to follow me on YouTube. You can reach me on Instagram or message me on Teachers Pay Teachers. You can even leave a comment down below and I'll be likely to respond. If you have any requests, make sure to let me know and I'd be glad to help. Thanks, everybody.